This is the Insta360 X4 that we know and love. But before you rush out to the shop to get this amazing camera, there's a new one now and it's called the Insta360 X5. What's up guys, Jason Smashpop here. So when it comes to the Insta360 X5, you just need to know three things. The camera is a lot tougher, the video is a lot better, and editing is a lot easier. So let's talk about how tough the camera is. So the Insta360 X5 now uses high-strength glass lenses, which is their most durable camera ever. And it is so tough that when I tried to break it and smash it, I failed. It didn't even scratch. It is so tough that I actually stopped using the lens protection cover, but of course I suggest you use it as well because there will always be a layer of protection no matter what. Just in case you are so unlucky that suddenly a plane crashed on your camera and it breaks the lens, don't worry because now Insta360 actually has this replacement lens kit whereby you are able to replace the lens by yourself. So inside the kit, there is a removal tool, a brush, lens cloth, and also cleaning wipes. It's very easy for you to change the lens because all you need to do is just brush off the glass, use the cup to turn it, replace it with a new glass, and you're done. There's also IP68 waterproof to 49 feet or 15 meters now, which is deeper than the previous generation. So the Insta360 X4 can already shoot 8K 30 frames per second, and the X5 can also do the same at 8K 30 frames per second. But how is the video quality better? The Insta360 X5 has a 144% larger sensor compared to the X4 and has 13.5 stops of dynamic range. Apart from that, it's also powered by a powerful image processing with 5nm AI chip, 2 Pro imaging chips, and a new algorithm. Now, because of the bigger sensor and the AI, there's also a new mode now called Pure View, which is suitable to use when you're shooting under low light situations. This Pure Video mode uses innovative active HDR for action scenes, and now you can shoot up to 5.7K 60 frames per second. Can you see the difference between the low light quality video from the X4 compared to the one with the X5? It is so much brighter and clearer now. Colors are also very vibrant. So if you notice the trees above me, the X4 couldn't even shoot anything under the shadows, but the X5 can bring up the shadows properly. With the new X5 camera comes a brand new version of the Insta360 app on the phone. With this new version of the app, the thumbnail gallery has been improved. Previously, all the previews are in rounded thumbnails, but now it is filled to the square, so it's easier to identify which clip you want to edit. There's also a new capture and editing feature called Instaframe. Okay, so basically, on the camera, you get to choose Instaframe and then you have the option to pick which view you want to continuously have on your screen. So for example, if you choose forward view, you get to continuously see what's in front no matter where you turn your camera. You can also switch the angle to back view, to side view, or whatever. This is top view. It is pointing at the sky. Bottom view, so I can show my shoe. And there's also a selfie view. Selfie view basically means it will focus on the nearest subject. For example, you in the video, in the screen. So this is selfie view. No matter how I turn the camera, it will always focus on me, no matter what. Turn the camera, And at the same time, it will record a 5.7K 30 frames per second 360-degree video just in case you want to reframe the video after that. Now, when it comes to editing, you can also manually set whether you want forward view or selfie view in your phone, okay? Just in case you forgot to do it on your camera. Other than that, there are also new editing methods that you can try. The first one is called Quick Edit, which means you can edit your shot effortlessly by moving your phone or swiping the screen. And then you can save and share your edits instantly. So that's very easy, very fast. The next one is what I like for lazy people like me, AI Edit. So AI Edit basically means no need to manual reframe. AI will automatically find the highlights and edit them into a ready-to-share video. This is truly revolutionary for people like me. There's also a third feature called Live Snapshot, whereby it will take a snapshot of your video and save it as live photo on your phone. So all these new editing features leads to another brand new thing that they introduced called Insta360 Plus, which is a cloud service to store all your data and your videos. So with Insta360 Plus, you get auto backup of your files in the cloud. So just in case you accidentally remove the files or your SD card is lost, don't worry because your videos will always be stored up there. Secondly, there's seamless 360 degrees sharing. So basically you can share your work instantly with a customizable link. So it's easy for you to share files for other people by just sending people a link. Third one is called Cloud Editing and Export. So you can edit and export on the cloud anytime, anywhere. But don't worry because all this data in the cloud is very safe because Insta360 is using Amazon AWS cloud service and has multi-factor authentication to protect your privacy. So if you buy the Insta360 X5 before July 21st, you will actually get 200 GB of Insta360 Cloud Plus storage up to 6 months. So before I end the video, there are a few more upgrades that I want to share with you just in case you are not aware, okay? The first one is a new feature called Twist to Shoot. So basically with this Twist to Shoot, it's a lot easier just in case you can't reach your camera. You just need to twist your thing and then it will start recording. You twist again and it will stop recording. And the audio has also been improved because now it has built-in wind guard and it's probably the first ever 360-degree camera that has this feature built in. There's also better battery and better charging now. The Insta360 X5 now has a 2400 mAh battery that offers up to 185 minutes in endurance mode, which is 37% longer than before. There's also faster charging. Now, you can achieve up to 80% of battery with just 20 minutes of charging this device. So what do you think of this brand new Insta360 X5? Could make your heart move want to buy or not? Let me know in the comments below, okay? If you want more information, tap on the link in the description box. And if you love gadget videos like this, don't forget to subscribe this video. Click on subscribe below this video, share this with your friends, and follow me on all social platforms. My name is Smashpop, and I'll see you in the next video. Yo.